Welcome again to another episode of Tutorial. Today we go over the Lumetri Color in Premiere Pro. So when you're done with editing, obviously this is not done here, but you can go to Color and pop up this menu. It's a Lumetri Color. It will be an effect that you put on your clips, and it is basically just what a camera raw will do to a photo, or a Lightroom will do to a photo. You have white balance here, and a histogram, just all the normal stuff, where you play around with it, with the sliders, and mess around with the colors. And the biggest difference is that you can select the input Lumetri, basically by filters. There's quite a few to go from. And if you want more in the creative part, there are some film filters you can apply, where it's pre-made by Adobe and makes it look like some of those famous old-time films, and with a lot more other filters you can apply. And you can change the intensity of the filter. The higher means the more intense the filter. And if you want to fade it, it'll make it look whitish with like a foggish. And here's where you adjust it, and you can sharpen, adjust the vibrance, all sort of fun stuff. Be a lot nice if you can actually play around. And then you can adjust the curves, add points, make it look all funky, sort of stuff. Saturation curves, we'll mess around with that, and yeah. See if you did. Quite a huge difference, eh? Just when you got a chance, just hop on Premiere, and when you have your project done, go to Color tag and have fun with Lumetri Color. It's just simple. Just play with the sliders and the filters, and you should get pretty exciting results. Yeah. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Have a good day.